not about winning, it's about taking part.
Is it? No.
Oh, well done, Tommy.
Support ya. How's it going to feel when you're standing there alone? You are no exception. There are no heroes. Justify your reasons. Now it is my turn. Your facial paranoia drive your every whim. Have you seen her? We have the choice to survive the winter. We have achieved so much more than you possibly thought we could. You can achieve anything, just remember no, I ain't team. We are the wolves of winter. We live in a kingdom of blood.
State of that.
Say what?
Say what?
On we
What are we
go.
looking at?
Oh, bird shit.
Fucking barbecue sauce.